Today's tutorial is all about how to create these beautiful siren eyes. This is one of my easiest techniques I've taught anyone and I wanted to share it with you. It's all about elongating your eyes and can use it with any products at home. So let's get started with today's video. So to start this tutorial, I'm going to be using a concealer. This is by Trini London and the shade is in Santa. And I'm going to be using a brush and I'm going to be gently patting that on the eyelid. We're just trying to even out the color on the lid. Next, I'm going in with this Inglot eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using this shade with the Sigma E25 blending brush and I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner of the eye initially. Now slowly take it into the crease to build up the color. You want to be as precise as possible with this tutorial because that's the key to getting those beautiful elongated siren eyes. Next up, we're going in with this darker brown shade and I'm going to be changing my brush and just applying it in an angular line at the outer corner of the eye. These are the Refer brushes and I absolutely recommend them if you're on the market for it. Now take some of the color and put it into the crease and blend it together into the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to be using my favorite Bobbi Brow 24-hour Kajal. This is a waterproof eyeliner and I'm going to be taking this and I'm gently going to be carving out a line. Try to be as precise as you can over here and once you've done that, start building the color onto the upper lash line. Now with my Jessup E07 brush, I'm going to be buffing out the color slowly. As you can see, I'm starting off in small sections because that will give me better control and you'll be able to do this very easily as well. Now blend out some of the wing as well. Now I like to tightline the upper lash line just over here and again you can see I'm using small strokes. Now I'm applying some of the waterline as well, but I'm not applying it to the entire line. Now go towards the inner corner and bring it inwards as well. You sort of want to keep the center completely free from any kajal. Now you can use any black eyeshadow from any palette. Just make sure it's well pigmented and we're going to be setting the kajal in place. This will also help us get that smokiness that we're looking for. And this is a pointed brush from Refer. Here you want to be as precise as you can. Can you see that smokiness that's coming from the precision? This is what I'm looking for. Now you can use any eyebrow brush at home and just blend that out even more softly. I like using this angle kind of brush because that gives me the ultimate precision. You can see how I'm pulling out that wing ever so softly. And now towards the inner corner, you want to pull that out as well. Next up, I'm going in with our first shade that we had and I'm just applying that to the bottom lash line. This will give that smooth transition into the skin tone. Next up, I'm going to be using my MAC concealer in the shade NC 43.5 and I'm going to really sharpen out that wing. I'm using a flat brush over here. Gently pat that into the skin tone and blend that in. Next up, I'm going in with any lash curler. This is the Lily Lashes one, and I'm curling my lashes. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Panorama mascara. I don't have much remaining. I really need to restock on this. And I'm going to be applying the mascara on my lashes. And the way you're going to apply this is you're going to pull it outwards towards the wing. So that will give you that added lift as well. So just keep that in mind when you're applying that to the outer lashes. And sort of do the same with the bottom lashes too, because that will really help elongate the eye, or actually create an illusion of long eyes. And there you go guys, that's a quick and simple way you're going to do siren eyes at home. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. If you've got any video requests, leave that in the comments as well. I'll see you next time. Have a good one guys. Bye bye.